What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload high resolution photo or video on your Instagram. So let's get started. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Instagram. So after opening the Instagram, what you have to do, you have to go to your profile, then you have to upload a photo. You need to select a photo to upload on Instagram. I'm going to upload this photo right here. So after selecting your photo, you can add songs and add text here. So after doing your stuff, you have to click on next. Then you have to put your description, add location, all the stuffs here. You have to fill it up. After filling all the stuff here, you have to click on more option in the last option. Now you have to scroll a little bit and you can see here is the option called media upload quality, upload at highest quality. This is the important thing, is you have to make sure this option is turned on. If this option is turned off, your photo or video will not be uploaded on highest quality. So make sure your option is turned on this option. After turning this option on, now you're ready to go. You can share your post at the highest quality or highest resolution on your Instagram. So this is how you can upload highest resolution photo or video on your Instagram app. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.